A boom from bar to the world. It's Ankole Media. I think this was a Blood Sparks. Yes, I camera coverage can go to right now to on press conference here. A jam session can go to so this is something we are going to be doing so shatwantu na tugambe ona abeshongoza babarumu batugambe chibakuteka about whatever is going to happen bita and gumaho subscribe to this YouTube channel in case this is your first time mwana nako shengereza basa kwa nonyeka subscription liking this video and watch it to the very end. Alright, Ankole Media ngo kuna nagambire twatudia press conference ya jam session and one of the attendees ninga sabantu babaruho twati no tiktokers but sebo ngabo twakwakira amazina gawe
nya nakira
TikTok. You are well known to be a TikToker. A TikToker no manyonko.
A TikTok ni manywanka Karian Kahima kanu go mazina ganje ga target 1.
Okay. So sebo mazina ga wa TikToker.
Kabari ga West ibawogo.
Wanje?
Ibawogo.
Ibawogo. Alright, so ukechi ndacho ko kumwakireba jam session mwagireba muta.
Jam session ndane yo ku unite ngabeshongozi bona babateye iritima. Otherwise ntiza promoting abeshongozi ba Western. Yo nico kinkureba.
So sebo jam session wagireba.
Jam session nyowe nareba erabasa kukurura yo nko mwana kukurura cyetegereza. Kukurura yo nko mwana wa Kabare otwire aine talent yo kweshongora aine nangwa nebyeshongoro konkata gukoraki atakumanya.
So mwena indana mugamba area ya music so kandati ya imura TikTokers, how is it going to be beneficial to you?
Ntufuna gigs oku promoting icyeshongo cy'omuntu yo paid kana wenkawe no mwishongozi na ishongora ya detaka kikugambire so musicians bakwatana TikTok ntiza kuyamba Western music okuzahare abo kubakiri rare kushanga umuntu nayimuka kasheshe akajya tukanza YouTube kuronda nanka but it will be easy kuba TikTok just no scrolling ukashanga wafune video yo muntu okebuze cyeshongo then ukabona kuza YouTube kuchironda.
So aya ono tutatu yo press conference wagamba chintu cyo kubakoresa bakabura kubashashula. How is that to you and what is the experience like? You know bunto yachukozere like before maybe people nabakoresa nakweza ndi bako deposit your gig then bahendera batakushashire. How is it?
Yeah. Abeshongoza binji kuba kuba bine shows batkoso kupushinga show yabo.
Like who utaka wayiriza abeshongoza toka wayiriza abeshongoza because abeshongoza gani batorane binji so we need to know
specific. I'm not a blogger konkani nshababa chikozero muri bo betero mu kifuba nabayine show mutisa mugama ketwaro nkabira kwa wonki 10 show echeza kwa blocking you get
so nabakoresa gigs then bakwire deposit then
don't finish the gig take kwayo kandi urukweba unyencha kari have another thing to push so nishaba mwetero mu kifuba abantu mwe
so sebo you want me something like that
kambaza nyetera karango we are sick
more
keke
banzo highlight injira abo tukacyengeje because keke nchibasa keke ari inkumanya
keke wajezo
nanye ninchira bakwata woni so keke ko kumwa tugambira keke nchibasa
keke is a log then watch oisho kachumura ni ke andike ni Kahima and Kabariga comedy. It's a new brand in town in the comedy field.
Yeah.
So you're doing comedy. Are you guys not dating?
We are.
You are?
No.
Kiska bajere oguyanjira yajira ngo ibawo.
Comedy we are married but outside comedy
you have a boyfriend?
Are separate. Yes I do.
But don't crush her.
Yes.
So koko bwabareba ba keke koko bwabareba ejo stand yabo about the jam session and ejo Ankole Media. Are you subscribing to Ankole Media? You know what it means?
Yeah, I did. Go and check, even I can prove you here.
Okay. We have got a new fan right from the grounds, okay? Ankole Media. Bitu mtai wanjira kutureba ijuka kusubscribing. Iriyo kureka kahimo kuyakozile and it means a lot for us and for the industry as well. Yeah. Ankole Media. Oh, naboja wazire ngo aboja watugambire ngo ineho your boyfriend gokananiza kukwata ho nkati twikiriza. Okay. So what's subscribing?
Na subscribing ramazima. Kwa subscribing amanya wanje kirachiwire.
Okay. So babagira ngo ningo mukusinga yo TikTok following, is that true?
Yeah, right now ninye ndi kusinga yo following go Western
with
a number of 145k following and 1.3 m viewership.
Oh, big account so that you can take maybe na yemza kumpromoting because I'm not on TikTok.
Yeah.
So sebo wasi abantu okingana cha TikTok.
Abantu ni bingi. By the account yanje ine miezena, but I appreciate
35k.
yeah
35k.
yeah.
You know what that means to be in Western Uganda, make 35k, it means a lot. So mwebale kugamba onitwe until next time kategereze and you subscribe more enjoy liking those videos and maybe you leave a comment perhaps. It's Ankole Media thing this and koko kuturebesha ezi to the whole umwami uba tugambira ngo nwarabe nakwasaganye cha musical ground. Mwami JK is a well-known producer, has done it to the industry and katumereza ka chance abase kuba natugambe bikusinga ebyo sebo JK twakwashira
mwe kunyakira nashimira nonga kuba ndi a platform yanyu imagine JK.
So JK is batugamba ngo urabe no kwataganye chinta ground echa kwatena music and kako kumwa tugamba mza kuba numukola live band zizonka. How going to lives because this is something we have not been doing here in the West. Why lives?
Chokubanza, it is a very big thing and actually we welcome it so much because nchiku yamba mweshongozwa hansi kushangangu yaba confident kandi yaba sagamba n'abantu because at this stage teyabulyomo kandi washanga beshongoza bakusinga tibari confident bani beshongora kandi namaraka gabo tigari ready to be artists. So a jam session netuyamba homunonga kushanga ngomweshongozi yayega bingi yayegera abanywani be abeshongoza abandi twayegera abeshongozi nka Reggie T-Paul Rasta Chairs Sister Charity. So ntuyamba homunonga kushanga twaturiaha tuwega turiaha so twaza hero kwe performing tuba turi ready to perform and give our best.
You spoke about Reggie, T-Paul and all that crew. How sure are we going to be kujang those people are going to turn up? Because to our press conference there is no any signs that
it was a press conference, you understand, because a press conference is for people who have prepared this. So we press conference in every day abantu aba preparing na media.
Okay.
Yes.
So mwagira ngo chinte chinemu something to do with the UNMF. Can't tumanya because of the few dates rwagati ya UNMF na umma. How sure are you kugira ngo numutkakasa mutakugira ngo impact ya UNMF kugira ngo already it's split up numutkakasa kugira ngo this thing and such keeping as one because
it is not splitting. We were trying to like come up with something that can help the whole region and other regions because UNMF is actually the founder niwe yatangira chintechi jam session bit nitotoaza kureba ngo even us instead of going to Kampala we can do our Mbarara jam session that can help every artist to do what to come. So I believe echechintu it is helping us to unite so that there is no splitting. Shanga abantu bakora group bitu hatariho chikubagita. So echintu chikubasa kutugite shahezi ni jam session so that na UNMF isigane yakorachi eyemerire.
So ngoko watugamba jangu muchitire Mbarara is it going to be capturing the audience ne takwantu capturing the audience ite ya Mbarara ninga kugira ngo na all regions zones yo mu Western Uganda that is including Toro Kigezi zona zaganyirwamo ninga this thing is about Mbararas?
No, this is not about Mbarara, this is about Western Uganda region because echokubanza us we have how we are going to handle this. We are going to invite other regions like Central region, Toro region, people from north like how they're doing in Kampala. So for now ntwenda kubanza tubanze tutambuze kintu cyetu mpora mpora turebe aho twakorache because eche kintu it's not like a show, it is a jam session for every artist like around Western Uganda.
So, taka expecting amechikono taka expecting amo
tahari muchikono tahari muchi buri mweshongozi aine kwija akeshongora kandi nabasa no kwija kwega because arabeshonga atakubasa live and we shall give them platform to perform.
So webali munongo mwami JK kandi
show yani
yeah so
media muri abakabi munongo.
okay.